Become a chat operator today. Your opportunity to work as a chat operator and earn an average of $300 weekly is only minutes away. The application takes only a few minutes and we are always in need of a chat operator on our team. Alright guys, let me quickly show you this value of $300 you can be making from this site on a weekly basis. When I head straight to the Google, I search for $300 to Naira, and this give me this value, which is 426,300 Nigerian Naira as at now when I'm making this video for you guys. So that is the value you stand to be making from this website on a daily basis, and that is why you need to give me your full attention and watch this video from beginning to the end, and do not skip any part of this, because I will have to show you ins and outs of the application process so that your application will not be nullified. And if you are very new to my YouTube channel, guys, please, what you can do to help yourself is to hit that subscribe button now and give me a like on this video and drop a comment. So without further ado, guys, let's go again. So before you apply, make sure you have full understanding about what you are trying to apply on before you even head straight to apply. If not, you may likely regret it. So please, let's take a look at, I will just glance through this, but I believe when you're applying for this, you can take your time to check through better. So let's read about this now, about this job now. As a chat operator, you will be answering casual messages on a fantasy-based text network. You have to be able to talk to customers about all kinds of topics. You will be assigned different roles depending on what your customer wants. Some of our clients just want to talk to someone about everyday life, small talks about things like work, culture, weather, relationships. Your identity will not be known by customers because you will be assumed to be the person the customer is texting to. Depending on how much time and effort you put in, an average operator earns between $50 and $300 a week. This can also be a lot more if you are willing to go the extra mile. We supply bonuses when you write a lot of messages and extra extensions on weekend and red days. Anonymous chat only, no calling or video, work anytime, anywhere and as much you want, no qualifications necessary, support available 24/7. So you can start application from here, but we don't want to apply now. Like I told you, I want us to have some full understanding before we jump into application. So the first step here is to apply right now, and we will contact you by email within 48 hours. Our coaches will answer all your questions. Then learn. We offer you an online training in which we show you the platform and prepare you for the independent work from home. Then chat. After training, you can work whenever you want. Our platform is always open and our support team is at your disposal 24/7. We give you the opportunity to plan your own time and workload. We have chat operators who work from 2 hours per week to full time. Work from anywhere, even from abroad. It's fully up to you. Apply now. So one more time, I want us to glance through this. The advantages: your own boss, weekly wages, work anywhere. As long as you have a stable internet connection, you can work from wherever you want, from your couch, your favorite cafe, or on the go. It doesn't matter whether you live in US or abroad. Part-time or full-time, it is up to you how much you want to work. As a freelancer, you can tailor the workload to your needs. What you need to know before applying. So this is very important, guys. Okay, you need to be fluent in English. You must be at least 18 years old. You need a PC or laptop. You need reliable internet connection. You do not need prior experience. You will work as a freelancer. You need an updated personal ID card. An important part of the application process is the ID verification check. Why do we ask for your ID card? So you can read further about this. Let me just skip the part of this, and I think you can read about this later. Now let me head straight to the application process now. I want to go and apply now. So apply button is all over this place now. We can click here. So anywhere, just click to apply. See now, take us to the beginning of this page. So I'll click on this apply button again. Let's see where it's not responding. Let me fill up this place now. Click on this apply here. So the first name is your own name, while the last name is your surname. So all this data, all this information I'm providing is not actually correct. I'm just putting it here to train you guys. So here now, I agree to the terms and conditions for applying and the privacy policy. So you have to take this. I am at least 18 years old and accept to work with adult content. So you have to take this one then. So I click on the apply button now. Now see it now. Thank you for filling out the form. You will soon receive an email from us with information about the next steps in the application. If you do not see any email, please check your spam folder or send us a message here, info@texting fact. So let me head straight to check the email now. So now I check my email and I saw the message sent to me here now. Please verify your email address. Welcome to Textile Factory. We are here. We are very happy to have you sign up with us. So what they want me to do now is, I think I need to click here now to verify my email address. All right, when I click on it, on the email to verify my email, when I click on it now, this is the next page it's leading me to now. Welcome demo. You know, I put demo as my first name. So thank you for verifying your email address. Before you can start working with us, we would like to gather some additional information: nationality, primary language, secondary language, gender. So let me be filling up this now and I'll show you later. So nationality, Nigeria. I put Nigeria here. Then primary language. Primary language, I put Yoruba here, Yoruba. So secondary language is English. I think let me search for it. Tick this first one. It's the gender, male. Date of birth required March 30, 2006. Just let me put some kind of a random something there. Or I think 2003 to date should be up to 18, right? Let me try it. Just put anything there. Okay. What time are you best available for an interview and to work at? All right. 9 a.m. 12 p.m. 12 p.m. to 3 p.m. 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. 9 p.m. to 12 a.m. 12 a.m. to 3 a.m. 3 a.m. to 6 a.m. 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. So I think this is optional for individual now to select the time. So let me see if I can select multiple time. You see, I can select multiple times. So which means you are expected, you are giving them access to arrange your interview within this time frame you are ticking here. All right, so let me just pick these two here. Anyhow, if you like, you can select all. So you know it's optional now. All right, the next is to click here now. Next step. So I'll click here now. Thank you. We will contact you shortly. So as simple as that, I believe you will give this thing a try. And one more thing, let me just give you this hint. This if you try this and the site is not opening, try to use VPN. Yes, use VPN so that you're able to apply for this. Okay, please guys, do not forget to give me a like on this video, hit that subscribe button and drop your comment. Then one more thing, if you have interest in mini exportation business, guys, go and watch this video. If you have interest in mini importation business, go and watch this video. And if you have interest in making money online, go and watch this video. And this is our new video. I love you guys. Bye for now.